interrupter. I think I'm gonna call him Kakina.
Yeah, but we have to be super careful, guys. There are some semi-aquatic dinosaurs, which means they walk on land and swim in the water. Has anybody seen Sylvia?
Hey guys, meet Mirtilla. Oh, hey. Not everything's about you, Mirtilla. You need to stop roaring when I'm talking.
Are you eating a baby dino?
What? No! Caccola is right here.
And who's that?
Oh, this is Carlo.
Carlo, the pilot?
Carlo the pilot.
You're eating our pilot.
I am eating our pilot. How do I land?